Emancipation 2. I want to say 2 boy, and no number around here. You see me? You see me? Now you're in the order. Yo. So right now, we're making Mexican, them touch it, and show you how bad them be, you know? Sergeant Ray, what you say? Come make it live here, your voice, man.
It's for you. Which is record shop, yo. Start to ring the place up. Show me what I'm taking from the now. Up and the land and they say keep being and keep them on the pump. You know the rock is on the pump. Them I grow up, them sick and sick. Oh, what time day, oh, what time night. Calling on the flex, we say one shot them and sweat. Move on the left, move to the right. All that, boy, all of my stepping down the place, whoa. Mitchie.
Big up him.
Yeah. It's for you. I was once lost, but now I'm found. The light of the world of the most high jump. In the making and some say beyond. And it don't matter how them try. Me take me actions and me head up high. Me meditation and constantly right. And if I ever fall down, then not always by my side. Then never leave no man stranded. No man stranded. Then never leave no man stranded. No man stranded. Then never leave no man stranded. No man stranded. Then never leave no man stranded. No man stranded. Rogelio Ortiz on the saxophone, yo. Watch it. Rogelio Ortiz out of Mexico City, representing, you know what I mean? Ras Levy, what do you say?
Yeah man, estamos en vivo y en directo, Ras Levy, Mike, Sergio Ortiz, Rogelio Ortiz, antes de familia, ¿verdad? Antes de ser compañeros, primos, algo así. Ser original, educación, sistemas de sonido recorriendo la nación. Original, educación, sistemas de sonido recorriendo la nación. Yo voy, educar a ti mismo, tu único compromiso de ser el mundo, la tristeza con tú mismo. Yo vine de México, soy en Jamaica, con toda la gente viva haciendo la revolución musical. Estamos en lugar de Mitchie una vez más, cantando y llevando el frente la batalla. Seguimos avanzando, no nos vamos a callar otra vez más. Original, educación, sistemas de sonido recorriendo la nación. Original, educación, sistemas de sonido recorriendo la nación. Porque entendiendo lo entendido, revelando lo comprendido, caminando por el destino que está. ¡Uy!
Yeah.
Is it short and spicy?
Yeah, man.
massive back. Touch it again, Sergeant.
Mitchie's record shop jam.
Mitchie's record shop jam session.
Yes. Inside the place called Mitchie's Record Shop. This is the jam right here, you know what I mean? My name is Sergeant Remo Ras Levy, Rogelio Ortiz out of Mexico City. You know what I mean? Run it and get it. Thailand, Patan, Patan, Garman, we delivery. Pure fire, we are giving you. We delivery. Kind of music like comedy say. Lyrics by the pound, verses by the kilo. If you never know, my name is Sergeant Remo. We the lyrical flow, we say that's how it go. Start finish out anywhere that we go. Step up on the stage, rip it up again. Look out in that crowd, now we see my loving friends. So we sing some tune for the and of them again. Give thanks to Jah. Yeah, because it is service, you know what I mean? We lyric and delivery, pure fire, don't you know? Thailand, Patan, like Patan, Garman, delivery. Pure fire, we are giving you. We delivery. And music like comedy say. Lyrics by the phone, verses by the kilo. If you never know, my name is Sergeant Remo. We the lyrical flow, we say that's how it go. Start, finish out, anywhere that we go. On the stage, rip it up again. Look out in the crowd, I see my loving friends. We sing some tune for the man of them again. Give thanks to Jah, always.
Mexican talent, mundo de vampire. Through the reggae music, they never lose a fire. Political struggle and spiritual chatting like a reggae, dancing like a fire. Mexican talent, mundo de vampire. Through the reggae music, they never lose a fire. Political struggle and spiritual chat. Fire Babylon, una vez más aquí viene Javier Mitchie, estudio con la gente de Jamaica compartiendo. México está en la casa, presente, representando. Rastafari, Elip, Selassie, Elip, sí.
Finish it up. Finish it up. It's like Mitchie's Record Shop.
Make sure that everybody hide them. I got Orange Street where they hide them. You know it's a jam session. Tap up the screen and share it live. You know things set like things set them violate and get a kick. Out of the instead. I know. I got to leave you know, I gotta leave you with Mitchie. And leave you with the rest of the artists. Cause I know I gotta go take care of some business. You know.
Yeah, I love the Vetta, I love that, see?
I don't know Mitchie's record shop as a jam session. Something different, especially in the Jamaica. See? So, Sergeant Remo there and Ras Levy say, don't know, beer energy. What do I want to say, Star?
Yes, fair, big thanks, you know what I mean? Big respect, Mitchie, being here on this.
What happened? You know what?
Yeah.
You are one. It started from first night there, and the skill. So, I'm at the touch base, and then we get back to business. You ready to sing? So this is Bebbles and Cheeto. No, y'all sing. No, you're not. What are you, man? What are you, Bebbles? You, eh? Alright, ready now, Bebbles? Alright, let's go. Start. Bye! Alright, what's actually the fun time? You! Eh? No, him sing few songs. You sing one song, him sing one song. So you sing your one and get your forward. Cheeto sing female and get female forward. See? So touch it again. You have the artist. See? What do I want to say, Sarge?
Yeah, you look at the future, you know what I mean?
Definitely.
So we have to treat them right. Rogelio Ortiz Mexico City and a saxophone messing up the place, you know what I mean? There's nothing like some live brass, you know, to warm up the vibes, you know what I mean? Reggae music, we say, inside place. Yeah. Shoulder move.
Bye. One more time.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, sir, that's that.
Este es Rogelio el micrófono una vez más, en vivo en directo, ¿sí? Check the lyrics, ¿sí? Original style. Somos la gente que nos gusta cantar, somos la gente que nos gusta bailar, somos aquellos que no aguantamos más este sistema de shit, lo vamos a transformar. Somos aquellos que nos gusta cantar, somos aquellos que nos gusta bailar, somos aquellos que no aguantamos más este sistema de shit, lo vamos a transformar. Nuestro tópico es bastante lógico, hacia donde volteas este tiempo es trágico. Viene aquí lo mágico, pensamiento básico, naturales movimientos, resistencia y canto. Lo sé, por eso lo canto, cantando avanzo y yo me levanto. Esta música que es la vida que me da tanto, tanto. Lo sé, por eso lo canto, cantando avanzo y me levanto. Y estoy en Jamaica cantando hace tanto, sí. Somos la gente que nos gusta cantar, somos la gente que nos gusta bailar, somos aquellos que no aguantamos más este sistema de shit, lo vamos a transformar. Somos aquellos que nos gusta cantar, somos aquellos que nos gusta bailar, somos aquellos que no aguantamos más este sistema de shit, lo vamos a transformar. Una vez más en vivo y en directo, Ras Levy con the mic, con Remo, Rogelio Ortiz en la Mitchie Store. Recuerden venir de cualquier parte del mundo, aquí los esperan, son bienvenidos. Toda la música en vivo y en directo, la original cultura del sistema de sonido. Es así, ¿sí? Vamos a selectar por el play and reading, vamos a selectar por el play and reading, vamos a selectar por el play and reading. Estamos Ras Levy sargento aquí, sí. Somos la gente que nos gusta cantar, somos la gente que nos gusta bailar, somos aquellos que no aguantamos más de que el sistema de shit lo vamos a transformar. Gracias, papá.
Remo is the name and I'm run against the grain. Say watch out in the lyrics, me and Ben. That is man, say man take man, don't man take man.
Welcome, come again, down here. Ortiz Ras Levy in the place, you know what I mean? I'm the SGT Kat, y'all can myself, yo.
Control the DJ from the pulse and tone. Remo is the name and I'm run against the grain. Say watch out in the lyrics, me and Ben. I take girls, say I take on it. When she say break, she can't play. She can't talk, but she can't move her body. All the night response, can you see me? And you say you don't really come and give it much fun. You know how they would, this is real. Ready for the work, like you got nothing to say. Hey boy, she looking at me, I say, I can see that she don't like the way I like the way I she just say, okay, what's all this song? What's all the DJ from the bounce of tone? Every moment when they man I run against that way, I say, what's all the lyrics we have heard?
Original, educación, sistemas de sonido va recorriendo la nación. Original, educación, sistemas de sonido va recorriendo la nación. Yo voy, educar a ti mismo, con único compromiso, vencer el miedo, la tristeza, con el mismo. Educar a ti mismo, porque el tiempo ya llegó. Original, educación, con Rogelio Ortiz en el saxofón. Lo dice, vaya Juan.
DJ Ras Levy, Rogelio Ortiz Rojas, Mexico City. Inside the place called Mitchie's Record Shop, right here on Orange Street, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, I'm very proud of you. I know I'm going to them up here, and be them freedom. Mentally, I just want to hear how you're rock. You know what time when they talk, now they might go really lynch me. Some of them are politics and they might turn fraud. They can't like one like them body. Them say protect us, stir on and nerve. They just put another in a hearse. I'm gonna say, okay, watch how they sound. Watch how the DJ from it wants some tone. He wants me in my name and run down this up through. Watch how they fix me up here.
One more time.
It sounds like maybe I'm ready to a little bit, you know, in the school number. Yeah, really nice. One check. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. When I'm not around there, I don't really do it. I'm trying to stay. Ooh, yeah. I don't really do it. Yeah, why Mitchie? On Mitchie's record shop. I don't know what the next time's in the place of publicity. On play, the fun, let's go. And I play very happy. On the level, we don't understand it already. I can't play very happy. I can't play very happy. I can't play very happy. On the level, we don't understand it already. I can't play very happy. I can't play very happy. Pues fácil lo que te digo, hasta luego, México. Podría recrimina, tu sangre contamina, en el seno se convierte cualquier vitamina. tu máquina se desafina, tu mente claro que se desanima. Tienes perdido que se no a la vida, no perder la fe es la única salida. Aprender a vivir con el enemigo cuando está dentro de ti. Hay que aprender a vivir, hay que aprender a seguir.
Mathew está en la casa esta tarde. Respect, man. Respect. Jamaican. Polyester Kat.
Hey, what's up? Wawan, Jamaica, Irie Vibes, Family Vibes. This afternoon at Mitchie's Vetta